Morning guys, my name's Alex and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. 2 hours left till I break my fast and I am well looking forward to it. I felt like eating my toothpaste this morning. Just gonna get on the scales actually. Down 1.6. Back under 70 kilos, so it's a good start. It's not all about the losing weight thing though, it's, you know, the other health benefits of fasting as well. What are they? Cancer prevention. Get rid of those toxins. Heart health. Blood pressure. Prevent neurodegenerative. Neurodegenerative. Delays aging. May delay aging. Improves cholesterol levels. Promotes blood sugar control. 10 minutes to break the fast. Look what I'm having. What am I having, babe? What is it?
Mexican, Indian inspired wraps.
Yes. And Teddy's here for lunch. Ciao. Oh, it's just changed. Yes. Get in me.
Hang on.
It's just changed.
Yeah.
Mr. 59.
Dog jumps up and has it now. Thanks, Mercy.
You're welcome.
Why are you filming the 59?
Have you just had the first bite?
No.
Well, it's fucking
First bite's
pointless.
now. That was the first one.
How does it feel like? There's stuff in your mouth again?
It's stuffy. Right, that's right. It's time for the daily dog walk. Vincent, Sonny's coming. Oh shit.
It's sunny.
Tastes like the footage.
It's nice.
Look at Susie, she's drinking.
Oh, the doggy drinking.
Yeah, a bit of drink. A little romper. She's going back when she can. Sam, you're gonna get a big one now.
Only going in the bar, isn't it?
What are we getting? Some food?
Nothing, we've got wraps.
I feel like I need something.
No, you don't. You need to lose weight. That's what you need. Pete. Oh.
Yeah, but you know, like there's like, what about that a jar of rhubarb mash? What me? You know the rhubarb mash, rhubarb nibs. The Skiddy's officer.
You can have one thing, and one thing only. I'm getting bread. I'm joking, I'm not. We'll get a tin of beans. Sunshine! I miss sun, you know, I miss like Spain.
Yeah, I do. But it's good because like Spain's next, isn't it? Well, Italy, but yeah, the summer's coming up, so you enjoy the winter while you're.
While it lasts.
Yeah, I enjoy it. What's it called? Like I'm nicely apprehensive. Apprehensive sounds like a bad word. Right guys, so it's the 16th today, which means I'm halfway through this daily vlog challenge and also halfway through dry Jan. So I thought I'd just like to give you a bit of an update on how I'm feeling about it and how I think it's been going. One of the main like initial aims of doing this was to improve my editing, and it has improved my editing, but not in the way of improving how things are edited, but just the speed on how I edit things. In fact, in terms of how things are edited, I think it's probably a little scruffier. A little scruffy, just because would you calm down? Tranquilo. just because they're rushed really. I mean, making a video every day is filming a video every day, and then there's the editing of a video every day. And you know, respect to all these daily vloggers that do this like all year round, because it's a lot of work. It's not that it's not that the content isn't there, right? It's that there are days where I literally need to sit down and I need to edit a lot. I need to do other work on my computer. I need to go and like I say, go and get water, fuel, everything else, you know? And there's only so many times I can film going to get fuel and making it look fun. So yeah, so I do feel like the quality's dropped a little bit, because I feel kind of forced to get every little bit of thing in that I'm doing in a day to try and fill it up, you know, which normally I wouldn't put that in. I think, well, that's a bit boring, I'm not going to bother with that. But yeah, still learning from it, and also learning, Sam, dog, it goes mad at this time of night. Also learned a bit, as I'm filming every day, I've learned a lot more about other people and filming other people. Because obviously cameras make some people, you know, uncomfortable, and it's going to go on YouTube and everything else. So I've learned a bit about that.
Like what?
Just don't give a fuck, basically. Just film and see what happens. No, just you know, if you're with a group of people, that, you know, explain. If they don't know who you are, if they don't know what you're doing, then do you mind if I film? It's going to go on YouTube. And most people are like cool with it, you know, but. Just that's one thing I've come across. It's giving. We're only halfway through, but it's giving me some ideas of what I want to do after this.
It's gonna be such a relief not having to.
No, I'm enjoying it.
I'm not.
Well, you don't have to do anything.
I'm not enjoying you doing it.
Why?
Because you're just on your computer most of the day. It's. I mean, normally it would work as well, but it was in the daytime, morning, sort of. Early afternoon, and then evenings would have.
You don't even know if I'm still going to be daily vlogging. I might have decided that this isn't going to do forever.
No.
It is a lot of time spent on the laptop, but you know, I've got other projects that I've kind of put to the side at the moment while I'm daily vlogging, so they're going to be taking up laptop time anyway. But yeah, all in all, it's been a good experience so far. Halfway through. Good night time.
Good night. Oh,
good night. Good night time. Good night time. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, put a thumbs down. Share it with anybody who you think it might be useful for. Thank you very much. Speak to you soon. Bye. Neurodegenerative. Prevent neurodegenerative. Prevent
Degenerative.
Degenerative. Neurodegenerative. It's not very good for language. Neurodegenerative. That's right? Neurodegenerative. Prevent
Degenerative.
Prevent neurodegenerative disorders. I've got a fucking neurodegenerative disorder. Oh, I just said it. I think I just said it. But
what are you eating?